Hello everyone, your favorite chef is here, and today you are watching something different, something that will warm your heart and feel you happy. So let's get it on. You're gonna need one banana, slice it, peanut butter and chocolate. To put bananas in fridge about half an hour before making, just to be sure that peanut butter will not get off banana. Basically, you just need to make a small sandwiches with peanut butter. After you made, let them in the freezer for about half an hour, and until that we're gonna make melted chocolate. To get melted chocolate, you just need to take warm milk, put chocolate on it, and then you're gonna whisk it. And after the chocolate is melted, you just need to add 2 tablespoons of cocoa, and then whisk it until you get nice brown structure. To make someone special, just make them this recipe. They're gonna love it, they're gonna appreciate it, we all gonna be happy, and we all get love, and that's something that is most important thing. Let's enjoy in these beautiful moments watching these lovely chocolate banana bites. And that's all for today's video. I hope guys that you like, that you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and see you in the next video.